everyone, my name is Emilee McWilliams, and welcome to my course, Creating Visualizations in R using ggplot2, the R Playbook. I'm a data scientist in the financial industry with experience in investment management and credit risk, and I've seen a variety of business problems. And many times in data projects, descriptive graphs can provide great insight into complex data sets. Visualizations often bring the story of the data to life. In this course, we are going to create graphs for discrete and continuous data, all based on a particular goal. Some of the major topics that we will cover include creating a map, a scatterplot matrix, designing a box plot, and all while keeping our goals in mind. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create beautiful visualizations and communicate the findings to your audience. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of ggplot2 and common statistical terms. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn R with the Creating Visualizations in R using ggplot2, the R Playbook course at Pluralsight.